how to create or how to sign up those Dogecoin wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Business, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can set up wallet on Dogecoin wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. First, you want to head in your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Then you want to search in for Dogecoin and you want to install this My Doge or Dogecoin wallet application. Once you have installed it, simply go ahead and open it up, and on the login page you'll be able to find the option to either create a wallet or you'll find the option to log in. So if you already have the wallet, tap on I already have a wallet, enter in your credentials and log into your account. If you don't yet have the wallet, you want to create an account, tap on create a wallet and then go ahead through the prompts here. Once you tap on create a wallet, as you can see it's loading up. You want to go ahead and secure or set a 6-digit PIN. So I'll just set a 6-digit PIN here real quick, and then you can enable, tap on confirm PIN, and then you can select whether you want to back up to cloud or you want to write down. So if you want to write down your backup phrase, you can write it down on your paper. If you want to back it up to cloud, then you can save or back it up to cloud. So you can see it'll ask you to choose, then you want to choose a password. So then you can go ahead and go through the prompts and sign up easily. This is how you can create a wallet on Dogecoin. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.